Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Ajazz model and whether you will use USB or Bluetooth. This determines the next steps. Once done, power the keyboard, plug into a direct USB port or ensure battery charge, and enable Bluetooth mode if available. Make sure you download and install the manufacturer drivers or firmware utility on your computer, because proper drivers prevent device conflicts. Connect the keyboard physically only after drivers are ready. This reduces driver handshake errors and speeds detection when your OS scans for new MIDI devices. You now connect the keyboard. Plug the USB cable firmly and wait for the OS to recognize a USB MIDI device, or follow pairing steps in Bluetooth settings and accept any PIN prompts. Then open your DAW or MIDI utility and select Ajazz as the MIDI input device. This tells software where to listen. Once selected, set the MIDI channel and choose an appropriate audio sample rate and latency buffer to balance responsiveness and CPU load. Test by hitting keys and observing MIDI activity or input. You finish by saving the Ajazz as a device profile in your DAW and mapping any knobs, pads, or transport controls so you don't repeat setup. Then tweak velocity curve and sensitivity to match your playing style. This improves dynamics and expression. Finally, test with a virtual instrument and record a short clip to verify latency and note accuracy. If nothing works, try this troubleshooting tip. Reconnect the cable, reboot the host, confirm the correct MIDI channel, and reinstall drivers. Most connection issues resolve with a clean restart and proper channel selection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.